Hello again. In this video we will continue talking about sketch tools. So now, start a new sketch on the front, for example. So go to this menu here and click the small arrow. As you can see, we have many types of rectangles in SolidWorks. The first one is corner rectangle. Select it. Here you can see we have number 1 and we have number 2. So this icon indicates the way to create this type of rectangle. Basically, we need the first click and the second click. The first one indicates the first corner and the second one indicates another corner. So click here, move the mouse and click again. The rectangle is created. Now finish the command and from here select center rectangle, and this time look at this. The first click indicates the center of this rectangle and the second click indicates a corner. So click. As you can see, the first click was the center point of this rectangle. Move the mouse and click again to define one of the corners. Finish the command. Again, 3-point corner rectangle. As you can see, until now we only created vertical or horizontal lines. In some cases you will need to sketch an inclined rectangle. As you can see now, we have number 1, 2 and 3. So the first click indicates the first point. Now you can move the mouse to indicate the angle, number 2, and then click again. Another one, number 1, indicate the angle, move the mouse and click again. Use the scroll to zoom out. Let's see the fourth type. 3-point center rectangle. It's the same here, but the only difference is that the first click indicates the center point of the rectangle. So click, then move the mouse, click again, then do it again. So the first click indicates the center point. The second click indicates the midpoint of one of the lines. Then the third click indicates the corner. And as you can see, the rectangle is created. The last type we have here is parallelogram. Now, as you can see, all the angles we have are 90s. So it's not the case when sketching a parallelogram. Here, first click, second one, then you can move the mouse and you can have different angle. We have 2 horizontal lines. So now try something different. Click, give it some angle, and now give it another angle here. So we have 4 types of rectangles and we can sketch parallelograms too. In the next video we will talk about circles and how to sketch them. For now, hit Ctrl A in the keyboard, then press the delete button.